Good evening, ladies and gents. This is your boy Crypto Cam here. I hope all of you are doing incredibly well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys on strategies of taking profits on Bitmex. So how you should take profits out on Bitmex, and how can you benefit and maximize from taking profits on Bitmex. So let's do the screen shares and let's jump straight into the topic. Okay, let me get rid of this as well. Let's go here. Come on, man. Okay, so we're in the trade right now. Actually, as we are trading, this might be a good sell in a little while. So let's hope by the time we're in the middle of the trade, we can sort of get a trade as well. So I can show you live. Let me quickly go through all the trades and see if there is any buy or sell opportunities available. Okay. No. No, not as we speak right now. We'll just wait for this price here to come a bit more higher than this. Most probably another 15, 20 minutes or maybe half an hour till we have a trade here. But hey, anyways, let me share with you guys really simple strategy. We'll take a hypothetical example. Let's say you've entered into a trade now and we're giving you about 2 to 3 take profits. Or if you're trading yourself, you have 2 to 3 different take profits. If you're new, ideally, I would suggest you, if you're following our signals, for example, always close your positions on take profit one. Especially if you're new, if you're trading here for the first time, always close your positions to take profit one, close your entire position. Having said that, if you're a risk taker or if you want to make more profits out of this, or if you've been in this game, if you've been trading here for over, let's say, a month, then you can use the following strategy to benefit yourself from the trading as well over here. So let's say you're entered in this trade for, let's take one of the hypothetical examples here of Cardano. Let's say you're entered in the trade of Cardano. Let me go here. So let's say you're buying Cardano, for example, okay? This is a perfect example here. So let's say you're buying Cardano over here, and let's say you bought Cardano at this price here. Let me show you so let's say you bought Cardano at this green candle here, just over here. Let's say you bought Cardano at 13.17. Now you bought Cardano at 13.17. You had a stop loss for 13.07. You had a take profit one for 13.28 and take profit two for 13.45, which is the support. Again, the next resistance. So now, this hypothetical example over here. Now, if you are a new trader or if you have been around for a month or more, then what you can do is take profit one. If you don't want to take out full of your position, what you should do is, now as soon as it goes above take profit one, remove this stop loss over here from here. You gotta take the stop loss from here and you're gonna bring your stop loss all the way up to here and you'll take profit one. Always take your stop loss up to your take profit one. Now what's gonna happen is from here you're gonna go on the stop loss. Obviously you'll change the stop loss and you'll bring it up. Let me actually put a hypothetical example here. So go on stop market here. Let's say we had a stop loss at 13.17, for example. Okay. No, this is.